Hey everyone, so I've got my 10-quart air fryer here. Now this was sent to me so I could go ahead and show you the features, and then we're gonna go ahead and get some french fries and put in here, cook them, and then show you what it looks like. So the screen right here right now, it's blank until we hit the power button located here. Right here we've got 6 different preset temperatures and times for whatever you're gonna cook. So what it does is it defaults to french fries. We can toggle between that by pressing this button right here. That is chicken. And we've got fish, meat, pizza, and then also baked goods. If you didn't lock the temperature there, maybe you didn't want it to cook as long or as hot. What you could do is hit this button. And while it's blinking, that's when you could go ahead and change it. We can also change the time. And then when it's blinking, I can adjust that also. It also has once you've set your temperature and time, you go ahead and hit this button here. That will actually turn it on. Or you can press that again to go ahead and pause it. Now when you actually open it up, it will say open and beep, and it'll go ahead and stop the cooking. We also have a non-stick tray that it does come with. And this is removable, so you can go ahead and clean that also. Now, it does have a temperature range anywhere between 180 and 400 degrees. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and cook some french fries. So before I start cooking my french fries, I want to let you know there is a chart in the manual. For instance, the fries, it's based on 400 degrees at 18 minutes. But right here, it's based on 1.5 pounds of french fries, which I'm not going to cook that much. I've just got a serving in here, so it's not too much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just do this for 5 minutes. And then I'll just check it every once in a while. Now I've got it blinking. So now I know that I can go ahead and change that. And you lower that to 5 minutes. And I can go ahead and start it. So right now we only have about a minute left, but one thing I have noticed, it's very quiet. The only thing I can hear is just the hum of the fan. And it's not very tall at all. It's only about 13.5 inches, so it doesn't take up much room under a typical cabinet at all. And then when it's just about through, it's going to go ahead and beep a few times to let you know that it's finished. So now that it's beeping, I know it's done. And then what it's going to do now, you can see it just turned off. So we've got our fries in there. And they're all done. I did have it preset at 5 minutes, and I adjusted it a couple times to add a couple more minutes. So the total time on this was about 7 minutes or so. But they're really nice and crispy. And they taste really good. But I hope you found this review helpful.
Check the description below for product details. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.